Pass the thread from the spool to the top thread guide directly above the spool from the back to the front. Pass it through the back thread guide of the pressure plates first. Then, from right to left, slide the thread between the pressure plates. Pass the thread through the front thread guide just after the pressure plates. Insert a bobbin into the bobbin winder and manually wind the bobbin clockwise, making approximately 10 turns. Push the auto stop lever in the direction of the bobbin until it slips inside the bobbin. If it doesn't fit between the bobbin sides, you can make minor adjustments to the bobbin's height to seat the auto stop lever appropriately. Trim the thread. As you sew, the bobbin will automatically wind, and once the bobbin is full, it will automatically stop. You can simultaneously wind a bobbin while sewing on this machine.